Today we're looking at another drone. This is the DROCON Traveler drone. This is another drone that's in about the $100 price range. I think it's just a little bit more than that. This has altitude hold that works really well. I think this is probably best as a beginner drone just because the altitude hold works really well. This doesn't go crazy fast. It's easy to control. This drone comes with a 720p camera that actually is kind of impressive. I think despite the resolution being a bit low, the quality of this camera is better than any camera quality I've seen on a drone in this price range. So out of the box, you can notice that the drone, it's made out of a very lightweight and flexible plastic. It comes with a camera and cord, its own little micro screwdriver. It comes with a micro SD card and reader. That's really nice that it comes with its own SD card. It comes with these caps, a battery, and a USB charger. It comes with the feet. It comes with 4 extra blades. And it comes with the remote control that has a camera mount built in. So talking about quality for a minute, I think overall this is actually pretty good quality. You can see the plastic, it is very lightweight, which is good in the sense that, I've crashed this a few times and it doesn't do any damage to it because it's so lightweight. Operating this thing's pretty easy. You just turn on the remote control, then you'll move the left joystick down to, I think, activate or pair it with the drone. Then you move both joysticks down and together. And then you can either use the left throttle to move, or you can press the one button takeoff and landing. One thing that's really impressed me about this drone is the altitude hold on this is probably better than most drones I've seen in this price range. It won't work very well if you're just trying to get inches off the ground, but once you get about 4 feet above the ground, it works perfectly. If you press the button to automatically go up and automatically land, it works really well. So the camera, as I've mentioned, I'm actually quite impressed with the quality of this. Even though the resolution's not super high, with the altitude hold and the anti-shake on the camera, you get a nice crisp picture with this camera. The one drawback with this is if you want to record video, you actually have to download the app on your smartphone and record that way. Overall, I think this is a great drone. While I wouldn't recommend it for a windy day, other than that, I think this is a perfect beginner drone. It's a nice complete set. It's got good altitude hold, a pretty decent camera. It's really easy to control, and it's a lot of fun.